Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my A4Tech computer accessories unboxing and quick review. You can check out my previous video for part 1 where we talk about the HU9 USB headset. In this video, we are going to unbox and review the A4Tech PK-910H 1080p Full HD webcam. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the PK-910H Full HD webcam. Walang ibang inclusions to kundi yung webcam lang. Its key features are 1080p Full HD sensor, high fidelity digital microphone, superior low light performance, anti-glare coating and intelligent multi-sampling, 360-degree swivel, and driver-free UVC video agreement. Here are the full specifications for this product. Now for the quick review. So nabili ko to sa Shopee for less than 1,000 pesos nung nag-sale sila. Nasa 1,250 yung original price niya. Maraming ibang brands na 1080p na HD webcam na mas mura dito, pero ito kasi yung nakita kong medyo mura na at kilala pa yung brand. So ito na yung binili ko. By the way guys, this is not sponsored, but you can check the link for the description kung saan ko nabili to. May medyo murang variant nito which is the PK-910P, but it is only 720p resolution or yung standard lang. Okay, so bakit ko to binili? Binili ko to kasi sobrang labo ng camera quality ng laptop ko. And I am planning to do some freelance or work from home jobs. So, kailangan ko talaga ng magandang webcam. Malay nyo, pwede ding streaming. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung difference ng laptop camera ko versus ng A4Tech webcam. I am using a Lenovo V110 laptop pala. As mentioned kanina, 1080p or HD yung camera, kaya malinaw. Mas malinaw pa sa relasyon nyo. The joke lang. Kidding aside, kitang-kita naman sa difference ng dalawa. Papakita ko na din yung clips ng difference ng nighttime captures ng laptop versus the PK-910H. May anti-glare na din para iwas sa strong light. Kumbaga hindi siya nasisilaw yung webcam at naka-fix focus na siya. Meaning hindi na lumalabo or nag-a-adjust yung focus. Also, it has a superior low light performance, so kahit wala masyadong ilaw, malinaw pa din. In terms of video quality, hindi din siya nagdi-distort unlike lower resolution camera na kapag gumalaw ka ng mabilis, nagdi-distort yung image mo. What I love here is the swivel function. Unlike other webcams na pwede mo lang i-tilt o i-adjust up and down, this webcam is easy to adjust to almost any angle na gusto mo. You can rotate it 360 degrees or even tilt yung camera to almost any direction. Nagustuhan ko siya kasi wala lang din. Kakaiba kasi yung itsura niya compared sa common webcam. Mukhang CCTV yung itsura niya. Also, meron siyang built-in microphone. So, pwede siya pang video call even if you don't have a microphone. Here's the video recording sample ng microphone for the webcam. Hello. Hi guys, so I'm just testing the webcam microphone. I don't know what the quality is, pero kayo na umuusga. Maybe I'll do a voiceover na lang kung anong sound quality for this. So ayun, please like and subscribe. As you can hear, hindi nga lang siya noise cancelling. Maka-capture niya din yung sound ng buong paligid. So make sure na wala na lang ingay sa paligid or gumamit kayo ng noise cancelling app. As for the appearance, it is made of sturdy glossy plastic except yung clip part. Hindi siya glossy, matte yung ano niya. Meron din siyang rubber for the clip. Kung naghanap ka ng high quality webcam for office use or online classes, streaming, or kahit na rin sa pag-VA or pag-virtual assistant, I think this is definitely one of your must-try webcams. So there you have it. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and paki-like na rin ng video to let me know if you like these kinds of videos. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.
Hi guys, so I'm just testing the webcam microphone. Hi guys, so I am just testing. Hi guys, hi.